how to fix Snapchat device ban on your Android. So if you want to fix your Snapchat device ban problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, tap and hold on to your Snapchat, go with the app info. Under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and after that go with clear cache and also clear storage. Now after clearing your cache and your storage, now you need to go back and then you need to turn on a VPN. So if you already have a VPN application, you can just simply go and connect, but if you don't have it, you can go with your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can download your VPN and connect to a VPN. That might fix your problem. But if that doesn't, then you can open up your settings, go with search under your settings, and then search for date and time, and tap on the date and time option, and here you need to go with set time automatically and then turn it off and set your custom time. So select the time before your account was banned or before your device was banned, or select the time 1 month after, and after changing your date and time, your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.